Morning po, sir. Good morning, classmates. So, yung sa Philippine na case ko po is yung PLDT data breaches and yung sa international na case ko po is yung ANO or National University data breach. So, sa PLDT 2018 data breach po, a major it is a major telecommunications company in the Philippines occurred when the personal information of thousands of its subscribers was exposed online. So the breach was discovered on an unsecured website where customer data, including full names, addresses, contact numbers, and billing information, were left accessible to the public. So this situation raised significant concerns about the company's cybersecurity measures. So yung mga customers dito na po na yan is yung passwords po ng mga customer nila, yung address, contact number, billing information na pwede mo po ma-access publicly sa isang unsecured website. So, yun po yung nangyaring data breach. Then, ang ethical and legal implications naman po nito is, first po sa ethical, it is the failure to maintain customers' trust and ensure informed consent regarding data usage. So, in addition na rin po, the slow response and lack of transparency further deepen public mistrust, raising questions about corporate responsibility and accountability in handling sensitive data. So informed consent po, yun po yung the company informs you on how your data is being used sa kanilang company after you gave your data such as name, address, password. Ang legal concerns naman po dito is PLDT violated the Philippine Data Privacy Act of 2012. Katulad na rin po ng mga naunang reporter with potential penalties from the National Privacy Commission. Then nabanggit na rin po sa ibang reporter po na same rin po ata ng same situation po ng case ko na data privacy rin po is yung GDPR, which is yung General Data Protection Regulation. If the breach affected European Union or EU customers, PLDT would also face obligations under the General Data Protection Regulation, exposing the company for further legal investigation. So, ang ethical concerns po that we can learn is the PLDT data breach underscores key ethical lessons. Companies must protect customer data, ensure strong cybersecurity, be transparent about breaches, take responsibility, and comply with data privacy laws to maintain trust and accountability. Next naman po is yung ANO data breaches or yung Australian National University. They faced an advanced cyber attack detected in early 2019, which compromised 19 years worth of sensitive data, including student and staff records. The breach exposed academic, personal, and payroll data, revealing weaknesses in ANO's cybersecurity infrastructure and long-term data protection. So, ang ethical and legal implications naman po nito is the impact of confidentiality of academic and personal records with ethical concerns centered on the institution's delayed response and notification. So same din po parang same din po sa PLDT, which is yung public mistrust nga po. Yun po yung ethical implications ng case na to. And in addition na rin po is hindi nila natabi agad sa mga naapektuhan or yung mga students po nila yung nangyari na data breach. And ang legal implications naman po nito is yung same rin po sa PLDT is same po siya in terms of the GDPR, pero ang legal po na makakaharap nila dito is yung Australia Privacy Act of 1988 and the Notifiable Data Breach or NDB scheme, which requires prompt notification of affected individuals. Then dun din po sa GDPR, if meron pong naapektuhan na foreign students and staff, so makakaharap din po sila sa General Data Protection Regulation. So, ang ethical lessons po that we can learn is institutions must ensure strong cybersecurity to protect sensitive data, address system vulnerabilities, and maintain long-term data security. Transparency and timely communication with affected individuals are essential for accountability and trust. Regular updates to security infrastructure are also crucial to meet ethical and legal obligations. So, the ethical and legal consequences of data breaches extend far beyond financial losses, impacting public trust and organizational credibility. Both PLDT and ANO's cases underscore the importance of strong data protection measures and timely compliance with data privacy law. So yung ethical and legal consequences nitong data breach na to ay hindi lang nagresulta sa financial losses or gastos. So pinakamalaking epekto nito yung loss of customers trust sa company. Dahil isa sa pinakamahirap na ibalik ay yung public trust na kapag nagkaroon ng inconsistency sa data privacy. Yun lang po and thank you.